Hello everyone. Welcome to the mini lecture on electromechanical control technology. Today, we will study how to select a servo motor. Our lesson will cover the following 4 main topics. Through this lesson, I hope everyone can identify and explain the key factors influencing servo motor selection, including application requirements, motor types, performance parameters, etc. You should be able to independently analyze specific application scenarios and follow scientific steps and methods to complete the servo motor selection process. Servo motors play an important role in automation products, usually driving components that require precise speed or position control in projects. When faced with diverse selection demands, correctly choosing the appropriate servo motor becomes a crucial task. Selecting a servo motor model is a comprehensive consideration process involving multiple factors. First, clarify the application requirements. 1. Parameters of the load mechanism. 1. Determine the type of mechanism and its detailed data, such as the length and diameter of the ball screw, travel distance, and pulley diameter. 2. Consider the load's inertia, torque, and speed, as these parameters will affect the motor selection. 2. Motion mode. 1. Decide the motion mode of the controlled object, such as the relationship between time and speed. 2. Convert the motion mode of the controlled object into the motion form on the motor shaft. 3. Determine the operation mode, including acceleration time, constant speed time, deceleration time, stopping time, cycle time, and movement distance. 3. Positioning accuracy. Confirm whether the pulse count of the encoder meets the resolution requirements of the system specifications. 4. Operating environment. Consider factors such as ambient temperature, humidity, atmospheric conditions, and vibration shocks. 2. Select the motor type. 1. Classified by power supply nature. 1. DC servo motor. Has specific applications and performance characteristics. 2. AC servo motor. More widely used in various industrial settings. 2. Classified by controller type. 1. Open-loop servo motor. Generally simple and low cost. 2. Closed-loop servo motor. Can provide higher positioning accuracy and motion control functions. 3. Classified by control mode. 1. Digital servo driver. Has good precision and stability. 2. Analog servo driver. Suitable for simple positioning applications. 3. Consider motor performance parameters. 1. Motor capacity. Choose an appropriate motor capacity based on load requirements to avoid overpowered or underpowered. 2. Motor rated speed. Ensure that the selected motor's rated speed meets the requirements of the load mechanism. 3. Rated torque and maximum torque. Consider the load's torque requirements to ensure the motor can provide sufficient torque. 4. Volume, weight, size. Choose an appropriate motor size based on installation space and weight limitations. 4. Other considerations. 1. Calculation and selection of regenerative resistors. For higher power servo motors, external regenerative resistors may be required. 2. Cable selection. Choose appropriate encoder cables to ensure the stability and reliability of signal transmission. 3. Driver selection. Select the appropriate type of driver based on the motor model to ensure maximum efficiency and precision. 4. Brake selection. If the system requires the servo motor to stop quickly or have a braking function in case of failure, choose an appropriate brake. 5. Protection level. Select the appropriate motor protection level based on the operating environment to ensure the motor's reliability and service life. In summary, selecting the model of a servo motor requires comprehensive consideration of multiple factors, including application requirements, motor type, performance parameters, and other considerations. Careful analysis and comparison are needed to select the most suitable servo motor model for the application. In conclusion, motor selection is a comprehensive process that requires careful consideration of actual needs and working environments. Only by selecting the appropriate motor can we ensure optimal performance in practical applications and enhance the overall competitiveness of the product. Through this lesson, we have gained a deep understanding of the entire process of selecting a servo motor. From clarifying application requirements to selecting the motor type, and then considering performance parameters and other considerations, each step is crucial. I hope everyone will apply the knowledge learned today in your future work and continue to improve your professional skills. Lastly, please think about this lesson and complete the following exercises to consolidate today's knowledge points and deepen your understanding. That concludes our lesson for today. See you in the next lesson.